When drinking water is not mixed quickly, evenly, and continuously, that water can fall out of EPA compliance, putting the health and safety of your community in danger. CertiSafe is the solution. By creating strong, consistent circulation within the water tank or reservoir, the CertiSafe tank mixer quickly and evenly circulates water while eliminating common water quality problems. Kasco's RM-150 floor mount, featuring durable stainless steel components, positions CertiSafe tank mixers securely within the tank for effective water movement. This video will provide instructions for assembling a CertiSafe unit using the RM-150. What's in the box? RM-150 base assembly, long retrieval chain assembly, short retrieval chain assembly. Tools needed for assembly: 1/2-inch socket wrench, 9mm wrench, 7/16" wrench, 1/2-inch wrench, 1/8" Allen wrench, side cutter, adjustable pliers, zip ties. In a clean work area, place your unit upside down using the packaging foam as a base. Slide the loosely assembled mixer base ring over the inverted mixer unit. Make sure the leg, with clamp ring affixed, is in line with the clamp on the mixer cage, as shown here. Position the mixer base ring approximately 3 inches from the cage on the mixer unit and tighten the bolts on the base assembly unit until it's snug and does not move. Then clip all 3 of the snap hooks that are attached to the 5-link chains to the bottom of the unit's cage. This will ensure the cotter pins do not get lost. Flip the mixer back over so it stands upright on its legs and remove the remaining packaging foam. Insert each end of the short retrieval chain into a tab slot on the top ring of the cage. Fasten the short retrieval chain into the cage using 2 1/4-inch shoulder bolts, 1/4-inch flat washers, and 1/4-inch nylon lock nuts. On the short retrieval chain, find the center link and attach the bottom connecting link. Now attach the bottom connecting link to the top loop of the spring. Afterwards, attach the first link of the long retrieval chain to the bottom connecting link. Use zip ties to attach the power cable first to the cage and then to the long retrieval chain. Ensure there is enough gathered slack in the cable so that when the assembled unit is lowered into the tank, its weight is on the chain and not the cable. Continue to fasten the power cable to the long retrieval chain with zip ties at intervals of approximately 4 feet. You are now ready to install your mixer into the water tank. Please see our installation video for further instructions. CertiSafe. There's sort of safe, or there's CertiSafe.